Joy, do you have any explanation?
Trucker man, don't wear no shirt. No, I got nothing.
Okay.
Why did you say All My Lovin' in the first place? I'm trying to remember.
Ooh, me or her?
One of you did, because I would not have started singing that song.
Oh, no, the thing was trying to kiss him. Like, he tried to give you all of his love and you just kill him.
Oh, all my lovin'.
Don't do it again.
Oh, my lovin'.
Oh, my darling.
Oh, my darling Clementine.
You were lost and
What
gone
if
forever.
I get like a song match based off of that beautiful performance of mine?
Oh god, and they flag our video.
I would say I'm
Well,
upset, but I think I'd be more impressed at that point.
Well, half of them are dead, so they can't really do anything about it.
It's 75 years before copyright.
He's got a birdo on his chest.
I don't know, we're actually getting close to that, so...
To what?
75 years.
Okay, Pump Man, you have to be weak against this. It's unacceptable if you're not.
Okay, there we go.
Yay.
Cool guys don't look at explosions.
I don't know.
You look like you're about to punch a bee.
I don't give
I don't give a fuck. I don't know why I think this, but I think that Proto Man and Zero are the same entity.
Zero?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what happened to
Don't
Standing still is hard to fall.
Standing still is hard to fall. He's dead!
I know.
What was that?
It was Ed's World.
Oh, okay.
Sir, can we
Man,
go to
does he
Hillary,
just not
sir?
wear underwear ever?
But
His
he
underwear was on the outside.
Yeah, it's
Oh, this is the one that you couldn't beat.
the episode.
The episode.
Well, it probably was an episode or two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't
So
tell you-
long ago.
I can't tell you how much I wish I could just upload one giant video.
Yeah.
I don't. No one would ever fucking watch it.
Oh, true.
I wouldn't watch it. I wouldn't watch Just Be Awesome.
It would just be a lot easier.
Oh,
Yeah.
He doesn't look like he trusts anybody.
Sketchy piece of shit. I know you're only half virgin.
Fuck off, Gabriel.
I know you guys told me, but I forget.
There's
14th century
art.
paint. Yeah. Everyone looks suspicious of everyone, and then someone brings up like a painting of Gabriel and Mary when she becomes pregnant,
And they're glaring at each other.
and it's like, Mary, I know you're only half virgin.
She goes, fuck off, Gabriel. It's beautiful.
There's a statue of like something of like ecstasy or something like that.
Oh, the guy, like,
Yeah.
good mom.
But we brought it up in my dream class, my medieval dream class, and like, I couldn't stop laughing because I've seen it on a Tumblr post. And it was like when your favorite part of the song comes up.
Oh, nice. One of my favorite art posts I've seen on Tumblr, it's a guy and he's with all these like paintings and statues where women have like their like breasts exposed and it says, "Why your titties out?" He looks like genuinely concerned. It's beautiful.
There's a picture of it. Like when your favorite part of the song comes on.
That's awesome.
Mossy, come here.
It's like,
Mossy!
oh fuck, no.
Come here.
I'm out.
Mossy knows the sound of a baby killer.
That is my baby killer sound. God damn it. I'm so bad about that. I'm bad at myself.
How could you let that happen?
I'm sorry. I'm really glad that was my first like gaming session freak out.
Well, you're doing better than you were last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
Why
trying
are
to
you flying through this game, but 9 was giving you so many problems?
I don't know.
Because you're Proto Man?
Because it has an easy setting.
Oh, is this what you were playing on 9?
No,
No,
like
okay.
he was just playing 9, but there was no easy setting, so all those like
Yeah,
platforms and stuff. I mean, they weren't the same levels, but
Yeah,
he didn't
okay.
have the help that he has in this.
Gotcha.
Any like side-scrolling game with sand like that instantly makes me think of Super Mario 2.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah.
I should know what you're talking about. I understand
I
that.
didn't see that.
What was he leaving to?
I'm gonna try water.
Okay, maybe not water. Nice.
No.
Nice.
Try everything.
I am trying everything.
Who was that?
Pink Lady. Jewel Man. Was it?
Jewel
No.
Man.
No, that was the other game.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, because he looked fabulous. Oh, you died.
Uh-huh.
We both died.
Oh.
We were like, go, this is awkward. How many lives you got?
I don't know.
Okay. 5.
5.
Okay. Very good.
You got this.
I didn't intend to just play this through once.
No,
and
it's
sit down.
good. Like, I was just thinking about that. Like this last when you picked this last one, I was like, huh. It's almost done with all the Robot Masters. No, in terms of how much game is left after this.
Is there more after this?
There's usually, well, I mean, there's at least one more, like, final.
Multi-tiered
Yeah,
level.
yeah. Like I said, I ain't got nothing to do. I mean, I got everything to do, but I ain't got nothing to do. I'll punch B. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, I have a snap.
What?
Oh, wait until we're done with the video, I guess.
Let me show you that.
No, yeah, but he looks so cute.
It's super cute. Well, if we're all getting on our shit. I have 3% battery still. I'm not going to get very far. Don't worry.
What are you doing?
I have a Snapchat from someone.
Who is it?
Is it your girlfriend?
Yep. Alexia.
Connorita? Colonita.
Travis, are you about to love me forever?
Possibly.
You should make that like your cover photo on Facebook.
Ooh, I might have to.
I can send it to you.
Us.
I'm sorry, what do you two have for your cover photos?
Us.
Oh, doing.
Well, that's a terrifying face, whatever.
Oh.
I think this has become us, like, by this point. Come on, load. Kitty. Oh yeah, we're not supposed to be doing this.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I completely forgot.
What, that we weren't supposed to be doing that, or the?
We've been playing this game for a very long time
Yeah.
now.
Well,
No, it's fine. I mean,
Yeah, like, I don't have a problem saying. You gotta
yeah.
give us a little bit of slack.
oh yeah.
I was gonna look at something like.
Wiley.
Oh, hi there. Come on,
Welcome
what's
to
it?
welcome to my rape dungeon.
That's a such. Oh,
That's
fuck.
exactly what it is.
What?
Flashman.
Crashman?
Flashman.
Flashman level.
Trashman?
Just you need to put a nickel.
The rape jar?
No, I'm gonna have this fucking level do it.
Oh yeah, we could just go until we run out of lives.
We could.
We could, yeah.
How long do you think that'll take?
Well, if they implement a time-honored tradition, maybe not too long.
I like how it's only raining, or are you like under a platform now?
I'm in the building.
Okay.
Are those lips?
Yes, they are. Steven Tyler's lips.
Oh no, those aren't lips. Those ain't lips. You know what they are?
What?
These nuts.
Is that Golduck?
That's gonna look like a gold duck. I'm gonna look up my cover photo. I don't remember what it is.
Oh yeah, you did change it. Oh yeah.
I like this though.
I like that one too. Don't change it. That one's good.
Joy, I think you changed yours too.
No, I didn't.
Sure.
Yeah. Positive. So I'm committed. No, I didn't have anything else better to put up.
Wendy's starting to freak me the fuck out, guys.
What? Ow.
She's been smiling.
She hasn't blinked in like.
Honestly, she's been smiling for like 9 hours straight.
She has a "I'm gonna kill you all while you're sleeping" look on her face.
Oh, can we go sleep out here and cuddle and be like, ah?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe.
No, I don't want to anyways.
I'm not a cuddly sleeper.
Really?
Like, I like to cuddle with people, but I mean, it's very difficult for me to cuddle and be comfortable enough that I can actually fall asleep at the same time.
But you can let a cat sleep on top of you.
No,
That's
even
different.
that bothers me sometimes.
Really?
In all honesty, yeah.
But that's where he was sleeping this morning when I looked.
No, I know. Like,
Just
what
ready
he
to sleep at that point.
what he needs to do is, yeah, if I'm awake and he like falls asleep on me, I instantly need to like move. You know, because you made that comment before. But if I'm already asleep, then it's fine.
Yeah.
Like, so yeah, that's why I tell people that if I'm sleeping with them, like, if sleeping in a bed with them, like, if you want to cuddle me after I fall asleep. Like,
Fill out this form.
must be this tall. No.
Must be this tall to ride.
Or like if I'm super tired or if I'm like sick or something, then it doesn't take long for me to fall asleep on people. But I still have an energy drink.
You do. That was a great jelly jam.
Jelly jam.
Crepe jelly jam.
Jamalicious. Oh, you're doing so good, Travis.
Wow!
Yay!
Mini boss number 1.
That was it.
Probably 11.
Yeah.
And then...
11D.
Lemony. Snicket. Really? That's what killed you?
I'm not
Fucking-
happy with it. Okay, thank fucking God.
You have to redo every boss every time.
Joy, which of the guys is the fucking god?
Zeus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Literally.
Literally.
Don't go that way.
What if
All
it-
of Greek history is up in the
What if
shell
that,
of Zeus.
what
I'm
if
putting
that
my
looped
dick in
you
it.
back all the way up to the top of him to go?
No, I saw that it gives a little preview of the level. There are 2 paths.
Oh, gotcha.
This looked like the least fun one.
I'm sorry, Joy. Travis is right here.
No, it's fine. I don't mind.
I'm more cuddleable.
I have boobs though.
Yeah. Well, like... I think that's my problem. Like,
Most honest answer I think I've ever heard.
well, there's
That
no
was
point in
beautiful.
like being like, oh well, yeah.
Yeah, no.
It's like I don't know.
No, it's great.
She's
Well,
not
we're-
bad.
I'm not mad at all.
We're friends and all. I feel weird like laying on your boobs.
I think that's a
Valid point.
Yeah.
Oh, have you seen how Val Kilmer looks really recently, Joy?
Yes.
He's turned into the dude.
Yeah, he has. It's beautiful.
I wish it was.
Did you
awesome.
really think that I haven't seen what he looks like recently?
Well, I don't know what I was thinking. I apologize. Motherfucker.
It's more of these guys?
Yeah, they're cycling through like all the.
Bold bosses.
Because this is the 10th anniversary or whatever.
Yeah.
Or that's not 10th, but like it's the 10th game.
Boob
This
minions
year.
trying to make a runaway.
Why would he want to run away?
Oh no, boob minions on my face! Boob minions on